So let me show you how to protect your Galaxy Watch 8 or 8 Classic battery using the built-in battery protection feature. So simply go to settings. You can swipe down and tap on the settings icon. That should take you into the settings page. And then you can scroll and find battery, tap on that. And then under battery, scroll and find the option called battery protection. It's right there. So when you enable this function, it's basically going to stop charging when the battery level reaches 90 and then start charging again when it drops down to 85. So this is going to prevent your watch from charging to 100%, which of course increases the charge cycles, which in return degrade the battery health of your watch, right? So turn on battery protection and then your watch will not charge beyond 90%. And yeah, that's going to help protect your battery. Thanks for watching and good luck.